Assalamu alaikum and hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Farwat's Kitchen. In this video I will show you how to make jasmine flour rice. In Swahili it's known as wali wa asumini. So before we get to know how this food is prepared, please do not forget to subscribe. As you can see, I have 10 sliced onions. I will use half of these onions, that is 5 onions, in the preparation of the rice, and I will use the remaining onions in the preparation of the meat. So start by frying the onions until golden brown, and be very keen not to overcook the onions. We just want them golden brown. So be very careful not to cook them until they turn black. Keep on turning them so that they get very well cooked on both sides. As you can see, the onions are ready. They have turned golden. So I will remove them from the oil and put them in a colander to strain off the oil. Here are the onions, so I will put them aside and continue with the other preparations. In a half kilogram meat, add salt. Add enough salt and boil the meat. Do not add any water at this point, so just boil it the way it is. You will add water later. So cover it up and let it boil. As you can see, the soup has dried up, so add water and continue boiling it until it softens up. And then continue the preparation of the rice. So in a pan, add water, salt, and then add cinnamon and cloves, and then cover it up and let the water boil. So I will add rice that I have washed it very well and soaked it for some minutes, and I have used basmati rice. And then mix well, cover it up and let it cook. As you can see, the meat is ready, and that is the amount of soup that has remained. So I will add this soup in the rice and mix well. And now it's time to add the onions, the fried onions. So I will remove some of the rice and put it aside. And then I will add the onions on top, like so. And again, I will cover it up with the rice. And after all the onions are over, I will cover up the rice and let it cook on a very low flame. And then I will continue the preparation of the meat. So in the meat, I will add garlic paste, beef masala, coriander powder, cinnamon powder, tomato paste, and you can find all these ingredients in the description box. And then I will mix well, and I will also add cooking oil, and you can also add bell pepper and coriander. So mix well and cover it up and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, add the remaining fried onions, around 5 onions. Mix well and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, the meat will be ready. As you can see, the rice is ready. Now mix well so that the onions and the rice are very well combined. And I also have boiled eggs, so I will cut them like so. And these boiled eggs are optional, they are just for garnishing the rice. So as you can see, the rice is very well cooked, and you can serve this rice with the meat that you have prepared, or you can also serve it with chicken. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram at Farwat's Kitchen.